Today I am going to make a weekly report on our project. As you already know, our project name is Security System of Electronic Eye Control. Martin Roth is a study at the project manager and our concept is system Vienna. Today is 24 July 2026 and the project is expected to be finished after 10 months. As you can see, until now, we have just achieved plus the requirements and the development frame. The requirements were carried out and complete from 8 January to 8 March. Afterwards, the development was set up. However, Siegfried has been delayed for 1 month because of the lack of resources and money. At present, we are planning to start the remaining phase, including testing, demo, and go live. However, the contractor wants to speed up the remaining phase progress, while the manager wants to add more resources and money. Such a power project